So this is the tree that we don't park under, but Devin parked it.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you did. I have to drive this around like this.
Your car almost looks like a big piece of poop.
It does. It's so gross.
Why would I do that? Do you like the smoke?
It literally was dying.
It's a diesel, dude.
No, baby, it's not.
So yesterday, we installed these very, very beautiful, yet extremely crusty JDM Evo 9 headlights. And today, we got a package in the mail, and we are going to be restoring the lenses on these to hopefully near new condition, near mint.
Here, baby, you got some alfalfas going on. Oh, that was a lot of alfalfas.
We good?
Yeah, you good.
Would you agree those are pretty crusty?
Nasty.
What if I told you for only the low price of 30 bucks that we could make these things pretty much brand new? Would you believe me or disbelieve me?
I just want to see, I want to see the magic.
This is Cerakote's new line. It's ceramic headlight restoration. This is a 3-step process. I'll have this first link down in the description box below. You can get on Amazon. I'll show you guys today exactly how to do it. In the past, I've used the 3M headlight restoration kit. When you put it on the drill, you kind of like buff the headlight and then you polish the headlight. So this is, as you can see, 3 easy steps, no tools required, so you don't need a drill. That's what's really nice about it. And the biggest thing that I think is gonna make the biggest difference is that the very last coat you put on is a ceramic coat. So same concept as like the wrap we did, the ceramic coat wrap we did the other day. It's gonna last way longer than just some simple polish or wax. Let's give it a shot. Let me show you guys how it's done. As with anything ceramic based, you need to have whatever you're doing 100% dry. So there's a few little water specks. It's been snowing and raining all day. Whack, Spokane weather. So we gotta get this headlight 100% dry. There's a little water speck right there. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood, less stuff to mask off. You don't have to do this if you're good and you know how to, what's the word I'm looking for? Coat stuff without getting it on the panels. So what I'm gonna do is mask it all off. You don't have to, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's do this thing. Briefly, I'll kind of explain. Open the hood for easier access. All right, got that. Wash headlights. We put them on yesterday, they're pretty clean. Put on supplied gloves. Oh, they supply gloves. Step 1, oxidation remover. So we have 8 packets here of oxidation remover. It says right here, note, if oxidation remover gets on your paint, don't worry, just wipe it off immediately with a dry towel. So you'll be good. You don't have to mask, but use 4 wipes per headlight to ensure your headlight is as clean as possible. Don't worry if your 4th wipe is still yellow, as the next step will remove any remaining oxidation. These are just little towels, I'm guessing soaked in something that is gonna kind of help get some oxidation off. Rip it open, grab this wipe, and it says to do it in a circular motion, so we're just gonna rip her over.
It looks better.
You're not wrong there. It's supposed to turn yellow, it says. Let's see if it happens.
That looks fun. You missed a spot.
It's turning slightly yellow. Does that mean we're doing something right?
I hope so. And I'd appreciate if you got that.
Use 4 wipes per headlight to ensure your headlight is as clean as possible. So we're gonna just repeat that process we just did 4 times. After we got the 4th wipe all finished up, we're gonna rinse thoroughly, and then it says when step 1 is complete, your headlights should have a cloudy look. So let's give her a little rinse down.
Cloudy, but still looking better than it did.
Yeah, it definitely looks a lot compared to the other one already.
Yeah.
Step 2.
You look so professional while doing this.
Fasten red disc to the surface prep pad. We already got one on, so we're good. This is a key note, guys. Be careful not to sand the paint or you're gonna mess up your paint. So don't sand the paint, all right? In some cases, it may be necessary to remove surface prep disc from surface prep pad. We're gonna spray the headlight with water. We're gonna sand the headlight in a uniform non-circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're gonna repeat that same process with the gray pad, and then that is all you gotta do for step 2. This is soapy water, but it should do the trick, right? Uh-oh. Those look like poop.
We destroyed them.
What if? All right, we're done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We just pulled off the red disc. This is 2000 grit, it says. And we switched over to the gray disc. I don't know what grit it is, but it's pretty soft. This is nice because that other 3M kit I used to use, when you'd buff it, it would literally spray crap everywhere.
I remember that.
Looking quite sanded down, if you ask me. Step 3, put on the second pair of clean gloves. Open one of the Cerakote ceramic clear coat wipes. Those are these. It looks like there's 2 wipes included, probably one for each headlight. Carefully wet the coating in a single direction using 50% overlapping technique. Only apply a single coat, so don't go over it multiple times. Repeat this process with the second wipe on the other headlight, easy enough. Allow the Cerakote clear coating to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving or exposing to any moisture. Very important, there's a very important step in here, guys. It shows the ceramic clear coating is not compatible with water. The headlight and surrounding area must be completely dry or you will damage your headlight lens. So maybe I should dry it more. I'm gonna go ahead and blow it off with, should we blow it off with air or heat on it?
Air.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, blow it off with compressed air. If you don't have anything like that, you can use a heat gun or just put it out in the sun, let it dry for a good amount of time before you do this next step. Oh,
Baby, you don't sniff it like that.
that's gnarly. Okay, let's see if we can do this properly. So I said 1 coat overlapping 50%. This is the very last step, so if they don't look good after this, I'm pissed.
Ooh. Look at that difference.
It's literally like magic. Holy, what the hell?
It looks so much better. It looks like a brand new headlight.
That literally looks almost brand new. There's like some hot spots from, obviously these headlights are, how old? How old are we? It's 2020. These headlights are 15 years old. So there's a little bit of like hot spots, but holy poop, show them a difference. So all we have to do is wait 60 minutes before getting any sort of water on the car, so I'd recommend just not driving it in case it rains. As you can see, the headlight turned out absolutely amazing. So there's an after, there's a before. Go ahead, bang out the driver's side as well. And I do have a spare set of JDM headlights that we are gonna clean up today. And if anyone wants to buy them, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll have them for sale over on IG. I've had 2 sets laying around. Well, I still have both sets. One is now on the Evo 8. The other set was gonna go on the Evo 9, but that car's already sold. So if anyone wants to buy them, shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Let's get the driver's side banged out and I'll show you guys the other set of spare headlights we have. So we just got that headlight finished up. What do you think, Bobby?
It looks really good, baby.
You hungry?
Starving.
Like I was talking about earlier, guys, these are the spare set of JDMs that we have. I'm gonna run through, clean these things up. They're much better condition, honestly. than those ones started out as, but they'll be even better when we get them finished up. So if you guys want to cop these things, bang my line on the gram. Is that it for today? Oh wait, I have a kit to give away. If any of you want to try out a kit, we're going to be giving one away. So how do we do this giveaway today? If you guys want to win this kit, I'll be picking a random comment down in the comment section below. All you got to do is drop a comment, let me know what kind of car you drive. I want to know what the subs drive, so drop a comment, and then also leave your Instagram so I can get a hold of you if you end up winning the kit. This is 30 bucks, super cheap. I'll have a link down below, but if you want it for free, comment. You have 24 hours to go live on IG. Yeah, we're going to be going live on Instagram to pick the winner in 24 hours from now, so 12 o'clock noon tomorrow. We'll be picking the winner. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Overall consensus of the stuff, I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't know the longevity of it, but I'm guessing being that it's a ceramic based product, it's probably gonna last a very long time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.